Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, respect your mind, and respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 14, NASDAQ off 7, S&P's down 1, gold contract down $3.30, trading at $1,341 an ounce. Silver down 6 cents at $19.75 an ounce. Platinum up $4 at $11.50 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.17 a pound. Light sweet crude caught a bid up $1 at $42.88. The oil market looks like it's doing a B to C of another ABC structure on the way down. I expect we're going to get somewhere into the 45 area on this oil contract. 10-year note. 10-year note down 5 ticks, 131.31. 30-year bond flat, 171.18. Both the 10 and the 30 folks look like they want to get back into where they went topside from on June 24th. So it's going to be intriguing to see if they actually get down into that level, because on the 30-year, you're talking about the 165 point. King dollar. King dollar up 184 ticks, trading out at 96.32. King dollar caught a bid on Friday. Jobs numbers, good jobs numbers, sent King dollar topside once again. King dollar's going to go after its swing high once again. Bottom line is that if that can get up into first, the swing high, which is about the 97.80, it's going to have a shot at going at that 1-for-1. And I suspect what most of that is going to be, of course, well, it's going to be buying if it gets up there. That's going to be yapping by the Fed governors that with the jobs number that the short-term rate hike is on the table again. And it's kind of set up just perfectly. The reason being is that there's no Fed meeting in August. You have the Fed meeting in September. Bottom line is that it looks to me that the way that this is really set up is that it's like, okay, so if they don't go up in September, the bottom line is that you have a November meeting and you have a December meeting. Well, the elections are in November. The elections, I believe, are about the 5th or the 7th, and they're not going to go up on November 2nd. After the fact, December, yeah, they could go for it. That being said, my take on the whole situation at this point is that you will have yapping that they want to go up, but somehow, some way, in September, it's not going to happen. But up until September, that is what's going to basically be throwing a jolt inside the marketplace. King dollar. What do we got with King dollar? Bottom line with King dollar, folks, is this. King dollar is out here trading at that price point of 96.32. Yeah, light volume today. We had some volume on King dollar on Friday. You're in the larger trading range. The 97.62 is game. That's the bottom line. That's game. To get up into that area. If you get up into that area, then on the table is that 99 to 100. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of the S&P, what do we have? Okay, so check it out. S&P Friday goes up, has light volume, bottom line goes up. Today you get to a higher high. I expect the highs out here, again, will get tested again today. When we were looking at that ABC structure, we were looking for 218.90. That hasn't finished yet. It's 218.52 is the high today. Now, the NDX 100, I don't see that ABC finishing at all, not even close. What I do see is that the highs of Friday will get tested. Friday we go up with 23 million shares. You back down today with 11 million. That's saying that's game to get tested once again. That being said, what you have out here is that the correlation on a monthly basis is pretty dramatic. You're talking about 421 million versus 758 million. So each and every time you're close to 115.75. That's on a monthly basis. You close underneath that, that sets up all these high volume swing lows that we have inside the marketplace. Gold contract. What do we have at gold? Jobs numbers come out. They smoke gold, smoke silver, come down on volume. what you have out here today is that it's a sideways market in the contracts. The low out here today was 1335. The high was 1343. You did have light volume. I expect, number one, you're going to go after this 1318 level. We're at 1340 right now, and we'll see how it handles it. My larger take is that I suspect it's going to be down about 1288. And 1288, folks, is where we broke topside from on June 24th. So that'll be a normal retracement in a market that does want higher price. You can go a lot lower than that one. We'll see how it comes down into that level, if in fact it does. Silver, I expect what we're going to see with the silver market. I expect silver, right now we are trading out at the $19.76 level. Silver also deviant out here today. Silver, got to a low of $19.51. Then it moved up into the positive, and it couldn't handle it. So silver wants to go after this 1927, which was the low of the 21st. But a normal retracement in silver would be back to $17.84. And what all that is, and how we get that, if you're a silver or gold bull, what you want to see is what we got on Friday, is that you had volume on the downdraft. Now you didn't have volume off the high because we came down, but you came down at lighter volume. Now, if you give it up on price and come back to the breakout area, that is a classic that a market that wants to go higher, because what will end up happening as you start coming back down into where you broke out from, the volume should be contracting as you come down to those levels. We take a look at the 30-year bond. What you're going to see with the 30-year bond, this is going to be a close one as to what these bonds want to do, because the correlation inside the bond market is definitely rocking not only the commodity market and the dollar, it will rock our markets. Bonds still look to me that you're going to get down into where we broke topside from, which is the 165.24 inside that 30-year bond. We came into the swing point today. Now, you didn't hit the swing from the 21st of July. That's 169.31. So that's saying it's going to make another run for it, but it looks to me like it will come back into the June 24th level. The reason I'm saying that is that you're so deep into the price bar at this point. 173.25 is the top of that price bar. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming back with a bunch of numbers for you. Dow closed down 14, NASDAQ off 7, S&P's off $1.50. We're going to be right back.